another beautiful day. Relay starter seems to be good. We tinkled around with it yesterday. We're still gonna order the part. It's like a $15 part for the starter relay solenoid, but yeah, seems to be good right now. You guys are over here. We're gonna get some gas, maybe head out to the dunes. It's a beautiful day. All right, fueled up and ready to go. Looks so small on the camera, but these dunes are so great. Okay. There he is, gold medalist, champion. Man, look at these colors. I don't know that the camera is picking this up because I have polarized sunglasses, so maybe it's a little bit different. But whew, it's just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful colors all around us. It is letting Keith drive, and they haven't been on the jet ski for 2 minutes, not even 1 minute, and she already fell. It's for the best.